Welcome back, travelers. With the European Championship 2024 just around the corner, it's the perfect time to explore some of Germany's most vibrant cities that will host the thrilling matches. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Munich, Stuttgart, and Frankfurt. These cities are not only home to world-class football stadiums, but also boast rich histories, stunning architecture, and a plethora of cultural attractions. Whether you're a football fan coming to catch the games or a curious traveler eager to soak in the local culture, our guide will help you discover the top places you must visit. From the historic Marienplatz in Munich to the automotive heart of Stuttgart, and the bustling financial hub of Frankfurt, there's something for everyone. We have also a part 1 which you can find in the top corner of this video about Ruhrgebiet, and part 2 with the cities of Berlin, Leipzig and Hamburg. So, get ready to plan your trip and experience the best of these three incredible cities. First, let us start with Munich. Marienplatz is Munich's central square, known for its vibrant atmosphere and historic significance. Dominating the square is the new town hall, Neues Rathaus, an architectural marvel with its ornate facade and towering spires. The highlight is the Glockenspiel, a charming clock with life-sized figures that perform daily. Visitors can enjoy watching the mechanical show depicting historical Bavarian events. Surrounding Marienplatz are numerous shops, cafes, and restaurants, making it a perfect spot to experience the city's lively ambience and indulge in local delicacies. Nymphenburg Palace is a stunning Baroque palace set amidst vast, beautifully landscaped gardens. Originally built as a summer residence for Bavarian royalty, it features opulent interiors adorned with frescoes, tapestries, and exquisite furnishings. Visitors can explore the magnificent Great Hall, the lavish royal apartments, and the Marstall Museum, which houses an impressive collection of royal carriages. The expansive gardens, with their tranquil lakes, charming pavilions, and meticulously maintained flowerbeds, offer a peaceful retreat and are perfect for leisurely strolls. The English Garden is one of the largest urban parks in the world, spanning over 900 acres. This green oasis in the heart of Munich is a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. It offers numerous walking and cycling paths, serene lakes, and picturesque meadows. One of its unique attractions is the Iceback wave, where surfers can be seen riding the continuous wave regardless of the weather. The park also features traditional beer gardens, such as the Chinese Isha term, where visitors can enjoy refreshing beer and hearty Bavarian snacks amidst a lush, relaxing setting. The BMW Museum and BMW Welt are must-visit attractions for automobile enthusiasts. The BMW Museum showcases the brand's rich history and evolution, with an extensive collection of classic cars, motorcycles, and innovative concept vehicles. Interactive exhibits and multimedia presentations provide a deep dive into BMW's technological advancements. Adjacent to the museum is BMW Welt, a futuristic building where visitors can experience the latest BMW models, participate in guided tours, and even take delivery of their new BMW. The architectural design and engaging displays make it an exciting destination for all ages. Do you want to know more about Munich? Please check out the video we made. The link in top. Off to Stuttgart. Schlossplatz is the beating heart of Stuttgart, a vibrant square surrounded by historic buildings and lush greenery. At its center stands the majestic new palace, Neues Schloss, an architectural marvel that served as a royal residence. The palace, with its grand Baroque and Rococo design, now houses government offices but still opens its doors for guided tours. The square itself is a hub of activity, hosting concerts, festivals, and markets throughout the year, making it a perfect spot to soak in the local culture and enjoy leisurely strolls. A must-visit for car enthusiasts. The Mercedes-Benz Museum offers a fascinating journey through automotive history. This state-of-the-art museum showcases over 160 vehicles, from the earliest models to the latest innovations. Its unique architecture, resembling a double helix DNA strand, guides visitors through 7 levels of exhibits that illustrate the evolution of the automobile industry. Interactive displays and historical contexts provide a comprehensive look at how Mercedes-Benz has influenced transportation and technology over the decades. Standing tall at 217 meters, the Stuttgart TV Tower is an iconic landmark offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city and surrounding regions. As the world's first television tower built from reinforced concrete, it is a pioneering piece of engineering. Visitors can take an elevator ride to the observation deck, where they can marvel at vistas that extend as far as the Black Forest on clear days. The tower also features a cafe and restaurant, making it an excellent spot to relax and enjoy the scenery from above. And we arrived at the last city. The Roma is Frankfurt's historic city hall, located in the picturesque Römerberg Square. This area is the heart of Frankfurt's old town, featuring half-timbered buildings that were reconstructed after World War II. The square hosts many festivals, including the famous Christmas market. The Roma itself, with its distinctive stepped gables, has been the city hall for over 600 years and is a symbol of Frankfurt's history and resilience. The Frankfurt Cathedral, also known as St. Bartholomew's Cathedral, is an impressive Gothic structure that played a crucial role in the Holy Roman Empire, as it was the site where emperors were crowned. Its 95-meter-tall tower offers breathtaking views of the city. The cathedral's rich history and stunning architecture make it a must-visit, allowing visitors to step back in time and appreciate the city's medieval past amidst its modern skyline. The main tower, standing at 200 meters, is one of Frankfurt's tallest skyscrapers and offers an incredible observation deck with panoramic views of the city. Visitors can see the blend of old and new architecture, from the medieval Roma to the modern financial district. The tower also features an art collection and a restaurant, making it not just an observation point but a cultural experience. It's the perfect spot to capture the essence of Frankfurt's dynamic skyline. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through Munich, Stuttgart, and Frankfurt, the host cities for the European Championship 2024. We hope you enjoyed exploring the top attractions and discovering what makes each of these cities unique and vibrant. Whether you're planning to visit for the football or to soak in the rich history and culture, there's something here for everyone. A big thank you to all of you who watched our entire series on the cities of the championship. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and updates. Safe travels, and enjoy the championship. We look forward to seeing you in Germany. Thanks for watching.